Good morning, everyone. We have Math Grade 3 First Term 21-22. Chapter 1, Lesson 2, Part 2, Pictograph and the Line Plot Graph. Tally pictograph. Okay? Instead of using numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and so on, we will use a tally pictograph, which is 1. We represent 1 using 1 dash. 2 using 2 dash, 3 using 3 dashes, 5 using 1, 2, 3, 4 crossed by 5. This is the shape of 5, number 5. 4 dashes crossed by 5. And in 10, we will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 5 is across the line and 10 is across the line. This is a new numbers which is called tally. Okay, instead of writing numbers we use dashes, and 1 dash, 2 dashes, 3 dashes, and in 5 dashes we draw 4 dashes only and crossed by the fifth one, and in 10 we cross the 4 dashes with the fifth one and the ninth dashes with the 10th one. Okay.
Let's use a tally to record the colour of each vehicle that passes our school in 1 minute. There's a blue car. Look, there's a green car. There's a black car. And another black car.
There goes a yellow one. And a blue one. And another blue one.
Red. Blue. Green. Blue.
A red one. Another red one.
A blue car. It's a black car. Blue. Another blue car. A black car. And another black car.
Now let's go to solve some exercises on tally pictograph. We present the following data using pictograph. Our title here, which is my favorite color, and we have this table about color and the number of kids which love these colors. First of all, we will write down our title, which is my favorite color, on this table on left, on right. We will write down here my favorite color, and our key will go according to the number of kids. This is scale of what? We have 3, 7, 5, 6, and 4. We have a scale of what? We don't have even numbers only or odd numbers only. Then this scale will called scale of 1. Good job. Then we have 3, 7, 5, 6, 4. Our scale will be by 1. Then we will draw just one tally, which is one cat. This is our key. Now let's go to fill this table using our data on this table using tally. Okay, first column will be called color, and write down these colors on it. In this column, purple, blue, white, orange, and green from this table. And next column it will be number of kids, and write down here number of kids. And let's go to use our tally to solve this one. First color, which is purple, we have here how many kids like purple? It will be 3 kids. Then we draw how many dash? 3 tally only. 1, 2, 3. Next color, it will be blue. How many kids like blue? It will be 7. Then when we draw 7 tally, we draw like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be beside it. No, it will be crossed 1 like this. 7 and 7, 6 and 7. It will be 5 and 2 tallies more. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4 crossed by 5 and 6, 7. Next one, which is white. White, how many kids like white? It will be 5. Then I will draw 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 5 will be beside them? No, it will be across the 1, across the tally. Then this number is called 5. Okay, and so on. Let's go now to solve this exercise. Both greater than or smaller than or equal to. First one, number of kids whose favorite color is purple, which is how many? It will be 3. And here, number of kids whose favorite color is green. Green here is what? 4. Which is more? 3 in purple or 4 in green? Then it will be green. 4, it will be less than. Next one, number of kids whose favorite color is blue. From our table, blue is 7. And number of kids whose favorite color is orange. It will be from this table 6. Which is bigger, blue or orange? 7 or 6? It will be blue. Then it will be more than. Then after we complete our tally pictograph, we will answer some question about this graph. Good job. Next exercise represents the following data using pictograph. We have a title and a table with fruits and the number of children. This table is our data. First of all, go to our title and write down it using your pencil on this, to the right of this table. Here, our title will be My Favorite Fruit. And our key, go to our table and notice these numbers of friends. We have 4, 10, 8, 6, and 12. Then we have a scale of what? Good job, scale of 2. Why? Because we have here even numbers. 4, 10, 8, 6, and 12. Different even numbers. Then we have a scale of 2. Then we will draw here in our key 2 dashes, which is 2 tally equal to students or 2 friends. Okay, then go to our table and the table to write down the data on it using pictograph. First column, it will be called fruit. And write down the name of each fruit here. It will be apple, banana, orange, grape, and watermelon. Next column, it will be number of children. Here we have, we will use our tally pictograph and we will count by 2. Good job. Here we have 4. In apple, we have 4 children. Then we will draw how many tally? 4 tally. But we will count by 2. 2, 4. It will be 4 tally. Okay. Then in banana, how many children like banana? It will be 10. Then we will count by 2 to draw this tally. Then it will be 2, 4 crossed by 5. And 2, 4 crossed by 5, it will be 10. It will be 5 and 10. 10 tallies. Okay. Then in orange, it will be 8. Then it will be counting by 2. It will be 2, 4 crossed by 5, and 6. It will be 8. Okay. It will be 8 tallies. In 5, we crossed by 5. When we draw 4 tallies, we crossed by 5. Good job. Next exercise, we represent the following data using pictograph. Our title here, we will begin by our title, which is My Favorite Transportation, and go to write down here on this space, which is called title, My Favorite Transportation. Transportations means what? Means our tool or our machine who is used to go to anywhere. We have cars, buses, bicycles, trains, or planes. Okay, then our transportations will be these ones. Okay, we have this. To write our key, we will use our number of students. We have 25, 30, 10, 15, and 5. This is scale of what? Scale of 5. A scale of 5. Why? We have here in ones place 5 and 0 and 0 and 5 and 5. Then it will be scale of 5. Then our key will be, yes, 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4 crossed by 5 and equals 5 students. Good job. Now let's go to, yes, fill this empty table. First column will be called, yes, transportation, and write down it here. And write down these transportations: car, bus, bicycle, train, and plane. Second column, it will be number of students, and go using your pencil to write down here number of students. Now let's go to use our key to represent this number of students. We have key of 5. We have 25 cars. Then in cars we have 25. Then using our key, it will be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We will count by 5, not count by 1. Okay. Next one, we have here bus. We have 30 students like bus. Then we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. We count by 5. And next one, we have bicycle. Number of students who like bicycle, we have 5, 10 only, and so on. Good job. We have an exercise represents the following data using pictograph. Our title is my favorite sport. First of all, go to our title space here and write our title, which is my favorite sport. Then we will search for our key. Here the number of kids, it will be 50, 20, 30, 40, and 10. It's counting by what? Good job, it's counting by 10. Then our key will be 10 tally. Then our key will be 10 tally, which represent 10 kids. Now let's go to fill our table here. First column will be called sport, and write down our sports here, which is swimming, volleyball, shooting, basketball, and diving. Next column, it will be number of kids. Now we will use our tally key to represent these sports. First sport, it will be swimming, which represent 50 kids. Now we will use our tally and we will count by 10. Count by 10. It will be 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. We have 50 tally. Okay. Now let's go to next one, which is volleyball. We have 20 kids which like volleyball. Then we will count by 10 to fill this volleyball. We will count 10, 20. 10 tally, 20 tally. Okay, next one we have shooting. We have 30 kids like shooting. Then it will be, yes, scale of 10, 10, 20, 30. 30 tally. Good job. And so on. Now let's go to a new title which is called line plot graph. Line plot graph is a number line. Okay, we can use any number line to represent this line plot graph. We have number lines like we learned before in primary 1 and primary 2 beginning from 0. But here we can use our number line beginning from any number and go in ascending order and so on. Here we have, yes, our line plot means we use it to show the frequency of any data by plotting x above the repeated data. Frequency means repeated data. When we have a repeated data, we put x above this data. And it's repeated how many times? One time, put 1x. Two times, we put 2x's, and so on. Okay? Now, let's go to solve an exercise about line plot graph. Represents the following data using line plot graph. Our title here is My Favorite Fruit is Banana. I will use my title to write our label here as we do before in bar graph and pictograph. No, here we will have, yes, we will do this label from this table. We have our label here, number of bananas in each bag. This is our label. Let's go here to, yes, write down our label first, which is number of bananas in each bag. And our title is not important now. Okay, now let's go to our key, which is x. X, our key. We will plot x above this number line. First of all, our x will be what? What? From this label, we have number of bananas in each bag. After the word each, it will be the word bag. Then x, our key, will be the word becoming after each, which is one bag. Then this one is called one bag, and this one represents one bag, and this one bag, and this one bag, and this one bag. This all of these bags, okay? And each bag has a number of bananas, okay? Then our key will be one bag. Okay, after the word each, it will be our key, which is one bag. Now let's go to plot this number line. Yes, here we have numbers 23, 15, 17, and so on. But I don't know which is the smallest number here to plot this number line and begin from it. Here we have the smallest number here is, yes, 15. Then I will begin this number line from 15 and write down here on this number line 15, 16, and the greatest number here is 23. But then I will write down numbers from 15 up to 23. Then it will be 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. Okay, now let's go to use our key, which is X, which represents one bag, to plot this number line. Here we have how many bags has 15 bananas. Let's go to search in our table. It will be 1, cross it and put X above 15. Is there another 15? Yes. Dash it, then put X above it. Then we have 15 more, yes, and 15 more and put X. Then we have how many plots above 15? Then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 bags has 15 bananas. Next one, is there any bags has 16 bananas? No, then it will be empty. Is there any bags has 17 bananas? Yes, we have one bag here. Then cancel it and put 1x only above 17. Then it means that we have one bag only has 17 bananas. Next one, we have 18. Is there any bags has 18 bananas? No, then it will be empty. And next one, it will be 19. Is there any bags has 19 bananas? No, it will be empty. Next one, it will be 20. Is there any bag has 20 bananas? Yes, we have here 1. We'll cancel it and put x above 20. Then the next one will be put another x, and third one and put x. Then we have 3 bags only has 20 bananas. On 21, is there any bags has 21 bananas? No, then it will be empty. Then next one we have 22. Is there any bags has 22 bananas? Yes, we have 1. Then put x above 21, 22, and another one here, which is 22. And third one we have 3 x's. 3 bags has 22 bananas. And is there any bag has 23 bananas? Yes, one bag only. Then put 1x above 23. Then we finished our line plot by plotting x's number of bags above each number. Okay, we finished it now. Good job. Next exercise represents the following data using line plot. Okay, is a part of a number line. We need to name it, label it, and put an X, then put number on this number line. First of all, our title is My Favorite Pet is Dog. Now, our title is not important in line plot graph, but it helps us to understand what this line plot is called about. Okay, now let's go to our table. First of all, to write our label, to write this column, first column here, which is number of dogs in each town. Then write down it here. Number of dogs in each town is our label. Now, to indicate our X, which is our key, number of dogs in each town. After the word each, it will be our key. After the word each, it will be our key, which is town. Then X will be one town, because each box here, each column here is called a town. 36 in this town, 40 in this town, 33 in this town, and so on. Then each box of these boxes is called a town. Then our X, it will be one town. Now let's go to fill this number line by numbers. We will search for the smallest number here. Where is the smallest number here on this data? Yes, it will be 33. Then the smallest number, it will be 33. Then begin this number line from 33. And where is the greatest number here in this data? Yes, it will be 44. Then we will fill this number line in ascending order, counting by 1 until we reach 44. Like this, 34, 35, 36, up to 44. Then we will use our data to plot this number line using X, which is mean one town, because each box of these boxes is called one town. Now 33. Is there any town has 33 dogs? Yes, we have 1 and 2. Then we'll cancel first one and put X, cancel second one and put X. Then we have 2 towns has 33 dogs. Is there any town has 34? Search carefully. No, we have no. And any town has 34 dogs. 35, is there 35? No, it will be empty too. 36, is there 36? Yes, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 towns. Then we will cross first one and put X, cross second one and put another X, third one and fourth one. Then we have 4 X's above 36. Then it means that we have 4 towns has 36 dogs. Next one, we have 37. Is there any 37 dogs? No. 38? No. 39? No. 40? Yes, we have 40 dogs here in this town. Then we will have 40 at first one, second one, and third one. 3 towns only. Then on 40, we will plot first one, which is X, and cancel it. Second one, which is X, and third one, which is X. We have 3 towns has 40 dogs. Okay. Next one, we have 41. Is there any town has 41? No. Next one, we have 42. Is there any town has 42? Yes, we have this one and this one, 2 towns only. Then we will plot here 2 X's only and cancel them here. Then we have 2 towns has 42 dogs. Is there 43? No. Is there 44? Yes, 1 town only has 44 dogs. Then we will put X above 44. And now we finished our line plot. Good job. Another exercise which represents the following data using line plot graph. Our title here is My Favorite Hobby is Painting. We have in each city number of people who love painting. Then we have here this data, number of people in each city. This box is called a city, and next box is city, and each box of these boxes is called the city. Then our label here it will be number of people in each city, and our key will be what? After the word each we have city, then it will be one city, because each box of these boxes we have number of people who love painting in these cities. Okay, now let's go to this number line. Write numbers on this number line. We have numbers here. We search for the smallest number here. We have, yes, the smallest number is 90. Then begin this number line by 90. And search for the greatest number here, which is 99. Then fill this number line until you reach 99. Then stop. Okay, now let's go to plot this number line using X as our key. Now we have here how many 90? We have 1, 2, and 3. Then we will draw 3 x's above 90. And before we plot it, we must cancel it on this data. Okay? We cancel first one, and second one, and third one. Then we have 3 cities which have 90 people who love painting. Now let's go to the next one, which is 91. Is there 91 number here? No. 92? No. 93? No. 94? Yes, we have just one city which is have, yes, 94 people who love painting. Then we will write down X only above 94. One city only. 95, yes. How many? 1, 2. Two cities only has 95 people who love painting. Then we will write down 2 X's only above 95. Is there 96? No. 97? No. 98? Yes. How many? 1, 2. Two cities only has 98 people who love painting. Then we will cancel and put X and cancel put X. Then we have 2 X's only above 98. Two cities only has 98 people who love painting. And last one, it was 99. Is there 99 on this data? Yes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cities has 99 people who love painting. Now we finished our line plot by plotting X's, which is our key, which is mean one city. Okay, thank you. Goodbye and have fun.